Today I'm diving into one of India's most vibrant and colourful states, Rajasthan. Whether you're a history buff, a foodie, or someone who just loves rich culture, Rajasthan has something for everyone. Let's get started. First up, the best time to visit. The ideal months are from October to March. Why? Because the weather is cool and perfect for exploring. Summers can be scorching hot with temperatures soaring above 45 degrees Celsius. So unless you're a heat warrior, stick to the cooler months. Now let's talk itinerary. Start your journey in Jaipur, the Pink City. Spend at least 2 days here. Visit the Amber Fort, City Palace, and don't miss the Hawa Mahal. Jaipur's bustling bazaars are also a must-see. You can shop for traditional jewellery, textiles and handicrafts. Next, head to Jodhpur, the Blue City. Give yourself 2 days here as well. Mayoranga Fort is an absolute marvel. The views from the top are breathtaking. Jaswant Thada and the local markets are also worth your time. From Jodhpur, make your way to Jaisalmer, the Golden City. Spend at least 2 nights here. The Jaisalmer Fort is like stepping into a fairy tale. And for a unique experience, go for desert camping in the Thar Desert. You can go for camel rides, enjoy traditional Rajasthani music and dance around the campfire. Udaipur, known as the City of Lakes, should be your next stop. Spend around 3 days here. Lake Piccola, the City Palace and Jagmandir are just beautiful. A boat ride on the lake during sunset is unforgettable. Lastly, don't forget Ranthambore National Park if you're into wildlife. It's one of the best places to spot Bengal tigers in their natural habitat. Plan at least 2 days here for a couple of safaris. So there you have it, a whirlwind tour of Rajasthan. Remember to try local dishes like dal bati churma and gawar. And always stay hydrated, especially if you're visiting the desert areas. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next adventure.